Hey guys, welcome to episode 41 of the Jerusalem Hub Audio Experience. Today we're going to talk to you about how you can rank number one on Google. What does that mean, ranking number one on Google?
So ranking number one on Google means SEO.
Search engine optimization.
Yeah, everyone asks, what the heck does SEO stand for?
And so that's everyone asks what it is, and everyone works in it.
Everyone works in, and you work in it whether you realize it or not, because everyone is trying to get to the top. Because whenever you search for something, ask yourself a question: how many times do you go to the next page? There's a saying that says, you can hide a dead person on the second page of Google.
I think I've heard you say that before.
Yeah, it's really important. So how it worked in the past, SEO, it used to be that you could just create your page and share it across everywhere, as many places as possible. Just comment your links on almost every single part of the internet, and that would get you up.
Also using the specific keywords like a bunch of times.
Right, so you have to throw like a whole list of keywords on the bottom of your content, of your page, on your website, and then you'll just get ranking for those keywords. Because SEO is three main things. It's your content, it's what your title says, the keywords inside your title, the content which is laced with all the keywords, and also your authority.
Right.
Where are you located? Where is your website being linked on? Meaning, if your website is being linked on, let's say, Forbes or Entrepreneur.com, that means those websites are huge already, and according to Google, they have high authority, so that the fact that they're linking to you means that you have high authority. The more links in really good places that your website is, the more authority there is. But it's not just that. It's very, things are changing now. Google is not just going after links. Google is going after tight niche content. Are you the end all be all in your niche? If someone were to go to your page and, like, let's say they were looking up how to be good on Instagram. So if they could go to that page, read through a complete concise way of how to make your content great on Instagram, and they leave that page and have no more questions about what they should be doing, meaning that you are the ultimate resource, that's going to rank you the most.
So basically what Google did is that they made ranking on Google much harder, but they also made their content much greater. Like,
exactly.
Basically, they made their product a lot better.
They're very content driven, which is huge, because for a lot of people, it kills them. Because I know many websites and many people that have websites who are like freaking out because all their websites are dropping to like page 3 compared to other places when they were at number 1 for like 10 years.
Right.
So really, like, I saw this, I forgot who posted this on LinkedIn, but they said, like, you don't need hundreds of pages of content. You don't even need 20 pages of content. You need like 5 good pages of content.
It needs to be precise,
clean cut content. And obviously you want to stay relevant to whatever you want to search.
Otherwise you're gonna drop.
Right, and that will get you to number 1 on Google, as long as you're clean, concise, and good.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave 5 stars on all platforms. We greatly appreciate it.
This has been Jerusalem Hub, and always remember,
be bold,
face your fears,
and always stay consistent.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow.